Well, happy Friday, everybody. Jim Hanson here coming to you from Academy Mortgage, 916-730-4402. Mortgage, real estate, and life. That's my theme. I do that most Fridays. Anyway, mortgage. We are working hard. We're helping buyers. We're presenting options. We are looking at ways to help people minimize their payments as much as possible with a little bit higher interest rates than we're used to, and getting them comfortable to buy houses with what they expect. Real estate, same type of thing. All my referral partners working hard, working with sellers, working with buyers, negotiating, getting deals together. So that's two good things. Third thing, life. So change. We're all experiencing change in the real estate and mortgage business. Change happens. And here's a little book called Who Moved My Cheese? About change. It's a fun little thing. You can read it in an hour or two. If you're experiencing change in your life, in your business, in whatever you're doing, it's a cute little thing to be okay with change and don't let it slip by you. You've got to change if it's necessary. It's about who moved my cheese. The cheese is here. Cheese is gone. It's moved somewhere else. You got to go find it. So anyway, who moved my cheese? Dealing with change. Super awesome. It's fun. It's fun. So anyway, that's all I got. Jim Hanson, Academy Mortgage, 916-730-4402. JimHanson.net on the web, and make it a super, super awesome rest of your Friday. Thanks.